Hey everybody, my name is Whitney Burns, and I am a big fan. I'm a big fan of you! I'm a big fan of your... Is it a good idea to migrate this? Email me! Email me! I really want you to email me. Thank you. I really want you to do new episodes. Trust me. I think you could do a marathon and all in one day, back to back. I guess 200 minutes in one day. Thanks. Please do it for me. Thank you very much. And my name is Whitney Burderson. You can call me Whitney. And don't forget to email me. I'm a big fan. A really big fan. Thank you so much. Very much.